Hi and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you get notified when my next easy way tutorial is out. Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use your mobile network on your computer or laptop. You will need your phone charging cable and of course your phone. Now as you see, I'm not connected to any internet. Now I will connect my phone cable to my laptop USB port and on other side in phone charging port. When they are connected, go to your phone settings. I need to go to wireless and networks option. You will maybe have more connection options or just option where it says more. Just search your phone until you find option like I have here, tethering and portable hotspot. Select it and this is what we are looking for, USB tethering. If you connected your PC and phone correctly, you will now have option to toggle this on. Now you will get this message on your PC. Do you want to allow your PC to be discoverable by other PCs and devices on this network? You can choose yes or no. I will choose no. And as you see, I'm now connected to my mobile phone network. Now you have to be careful if you don't have flat internet on your phone. You can set limit to your data. You can do this by right click on network icon and select open network and internet settings. Now choose Ethernet and select your network. Also here set your network as private. And here turn this on, set as metered connection. Here you can configure your data limit, so select this. Select your network. Under background data, you have option to limit what store apps and Windows features can do in background. Select always. And now set limit. Here you have three options, monthly, one time and unlimited. Select options you want, and under data limit you have unit, so select do you want in megabytes or gigabytes. Now here you can set your data limit, and when you're done, click save. If you couldn't connect, maybe you need to enable developer mode on your phone. I used this method on P20 Pro, P30 Lite, Mate 30 Lite, Samsung Galaxy S8 and on all phones without developer mode enabled. So write me in comments if you want me to make video on how to enable developer mode. Please like this video if I helped you, and don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell so we can see each other in my next video. Bye.